Lecture 2. Write and send your first email. Welcome back, everyone. Now that you have had a chance to explore the Outlook interface, it's time to start using it for one of its main purposes: writing and sending emails. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a clear, well structured email and send it using Outlook. Email is still one of the most common and professional ways to communicate, especially in school and work settings. The way you write an email can shape how people understand your message and how they see you. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to open and start a new email in Outlook, fill in the to, CC, BCC, and subject fields correctly, write a clear and polite email message, add attachments when needed, send an email with confidence and accuracy. Opening a new email. When you open Outlook, click on New Email in the top left corner in the Home tab. In here, this opens a blank message window where you will create your email. This area. Understanding email fields. There are four main parts to focus on. The first one is to type the email address of the main person you are contacting. When you click on this, then you have CC, carbon copy. Use this to send a copy to others who should see the message. When you click on BCC, blind carbon copy, sends a copy without showing the names to others, useful for privacy. And the next we have subject line, a short summary of what your email is about. Make it clear and direct. For example, a subject should be like meeting request for Thursday at 10 a.m. So it clarifies that they are requesting for a meeting at Thursday at 10 a.m. So this is a clear and concise subject line for an email. Writing the email body. Your email should have three parts. Greetings. Example. Hi Professor Lee or Dear Sarah. For example, Hi Sarah. So this is the greeting or start of an email. Message. Keep it clear and polite. Use short paragraphs if needed. Mention any important details without going off topic. Closing. When you just write the message body in here and at the end, closing should be like best regards or thank you. So this should be the closing, and in between that will be the message body. So this should be a structure for a formal email that should be followed throughout the professional interaction. Then add your name at the end. For example, you just want to add your name as Mitchell Jones. So this is a formal structure for an email that should be followed throughout the communication with your colleagues or your teammates. Adding attachments. Optional. If you want to send a file, click the attached file in here. You can browse from this computer and go to the folder where you have saved. For example, I have saved a file in here and I just want to I just want to send this file. Click in here. So this file will be uploaded and will be sent when you press on this. So this is the image that we have attached using this icon, and it will be sent when you just click on this send button. Sending the email. When you are done, check your message for spelling or missing information. Click the send button in the top left. This button will send this file to the specific email address that will be written in here. That's it. You have just sent your first email through Outlook. So this is how you can send an email using this Outlook interface in Microsoft Outlook.